Hey, everyone. It's the info name here. And if there's one thing I've learned in my years of building online businesses, it's that you gotta go where the people are. And you know where they are. Glued to Google. In today's digital landscape, where every click and impression count, Google digital marketing stands as a pillar of success for businesses. Think about it. When was the last time you didn't start with Google to find information, a product, or a service? Exactly. Google has become the go-to source for billions of users worldwide. That's why mastering Google's marketing tools is no longer optional. It's essential. With a suite of tools, platforms, and strategies, Google empowers businesses to connect with their audiences effectively. Whether you're an e-commerce brand, a local business, or a B2B company, Google offers solutions to amplify your reach and ROI. And that's what we'll be diving into today, the essential tools and strategies that will make Google your most powerful ally in the digital world. Let's kick things off with the powerhouse of Google's marketing suite, Google Ads. Now, if you're serious about driving traffic, leads, and sales, Google Ads is non-negotiable. It's the backbone of paid digital advertising, and here's why. Imagine this. Someone searches for best running shoes for marathon training. With Google Ads, your website can be the first thing they see. Powerful, right? Google Ads lets you run different types of campaigns tailored to your specific goals. You've got search ads, which are those text ads that appear at the top of search results pages. Then there are display ads. These are image-based ads that appear on websites across the Google Display Network, reaching users while they browse their favorite sites. And let's not forget shopping ads, perfect for e-commerce businesses to showcase products directly within search results. But here's the beauty of Google Ads. It's all about precision targeting. You get to decide who sees your ads based on their demographics, interests, even their past online behavior. This means you're not wasting your budget showing ads to people who couldn't care less about your product. You're putting your message directly in front of the right audience at the right time. And with pay-per-click PPC models, you only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. Talk about cost effectiveness. Now, for all my local businesses out there, this one's especially for you. If you want to dominate local search results and get found by customers in your area, Google My Business, or GMB, is non-negotiable. It's your digital storefront and it's completely free to set up. Think about it. When someone searches for Italian restaurant near me, what pops up? Google Maps, right? GMB ensures your business appears prominently on Google Maps and local search results. It's like having a giant neon sign pointing right at your door. You can list your business hours, phone number, website, and even showcase customer reviews, which are pure gold these days. But it doesn't stop there. The GMB goes beyond just basic information. You can post updates, share photos and videos, and even respond to customer reviews directly from your GMB dashboard. It's all about building trust and engaging with potential customers right when they are looking for you. Trust me, a complete and optimized GMB profile can make all the difference in attracting local customers and driving foot traffic to your business. Now, we're about to get a little bit geeky, but trust me, this is where the magic really happens. Google Analytics is like having a superpower, the ability to see exactly what's working and what's not on your website. Knowledge is power, right? Imagine this. You launch a new marketing campaign, but how do you know if it's actually bringing in results? Google Analytics tells you everything. You can see how many people are visiting your site, where they're coming from, which pages they're spending the most time on, and even what device they're using. It's like having X-ray vision into your website's performance. But here's the best part. Google Analytics empowers you to make data-driven decisions. You can see which marketing channels are driving the most traffic, which pages have the highest bounce rates, and even track conversions to see how many visitors are taking your desired actions. This data allows you to fine-tune your strategies, optimize your website, and get the most out of your marketing efforts. Let's face it, video is king. And when it comes to video marketing, YouTube is the undisputed champion. As part of the Google ecosystem, YouTube advertising offers incredible opportunities to reach a massive and engaged audience. Think about it. People are spending hours watching videos on YouTube every single day. With YouTube advertising, you can showcase your brand's message right before during, or after the videos your target audience is already watching. You can choose from various ad formats like skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable bumper ads, and even sponsored cards that appear within videos. But here's the beauty of YouTube advertising. It's all about captivating your audience with compelling visuals and storytelling. People are more likely to remember a message when it's delivered through video. Plus, with YouTube's advanced targeting options, you can ensure that your video ads are seen by the right people, maximizing your reach and impact. Now, for all my SEO enthusiasts out there, this one's for you. Google Search Console is a must-have tool if you're serious about boosting your website's organic visibility and driving free traffic from Google searches. Think of Google Search Console as your direct line of communication with Google. It provides invaluable insights into how Google sees your website, allowing you to identify and fix any technical issues that might be hindering your search rankings. But it goes beyond just technical stuff. Google Search Console helps you understand which keywords are driving traffic to your site, analyze your backlink profile, and even submit sitemaps to ensure Google can crawl and index your website effectively. It's like having a backstage pass to Google's search algorithm. So there you have it, the essential tools and strategies to unlock the power of Google digital marketing. By leveraging these tools, you're not just reaching your target audience, you're connecting with them on a deeper level, building relationships, and driving real business results. But why choose Google digital marketing in the first place? Well, it's simple. Google dominates the search engine market, handling over 90% of worldwide search queries. That's billions of searches every single day. With Google's advanced algorithms, you can ensure that your ads are shown to the right audience at the right time, maximizing your return on investment. And the best part is that Google provides you with all the tools you need to track your progress, measure your results, and continuously optimize your campaigns. It's about making data-driven decisions and staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. So embrace the power of Google digital marketing and watch your business soar to new heights.